Hi, Robin Calabrese with Whole Family Healthcare. I'm excited to talk to you about our natural skin lab. There's a lot of skin diseases. There's eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, acne, or just to name a few, that we can help to deal with within our natural skincare program. Let's start with our cosmetic acupuncture. So cosmetic acupuncture not only just works with the face, but the entire body on our anti-aging. We tend to age in our face because of how our muscles work and our facial expressions. We are always using it, and it is always the first place that we get dehydrated, and it shows fine lines and wrinkles. So how is it a natural facelift? With the acupuncture, we actually will sculpt your cheekbones, sculpt your jawline, help to eliminate the 11s, and also help to relax the forehead. Someone who's 20 who wants to do this as a preventative versus someone who's in their 70s who's using this to kind of be restorative can be much different in the spectrum, but all are welcome because of how safe the program is for anything that is going onto your skin. We use red light therapy along with facial cupping and facial gua sha. Facial cupping is used for lymphatic drainage, and facial gua sha is used for muscle tonicity to sculpt the jawline, to drain the lymph nodes within the neckline, but also to tonify the skin. Now we're going to move forward into something that I absolutely love, which is microneedling and nanoneedling. Microneedling is done to allow for collagen and elastin to build up. Then we move to nanoneedling, which is only done around the lips and the eyes to help with the fine lines and wrinkles and lymphatic drainage. Along with this protocol that we will have within our natural skin lab, I will be able to customize a skin serum for you. We have a hyaluronic acid base and then different Chinese herbal serums, either apple stem cells, elastin, collagen, luminous to be able to brighten the skin, oculus for under the eyes. At your first treatment, we will start with doing a skin map of your skin to understand what your problem areas are and what areas actually look good. You'll receive a head, neck, and face massage to help lymphatic drainage and also to help with muscle tonicity. And if we are looking forward and doing a lifting approach, we will start with cosmetic acupuncture. And if you are looking for more of a filler to regain elasticity within your skin, this is where we will move more into the microneedling and nanoneedling part of the program. So with microneedling, there is anywhere between 1 to 3 treatments. That is done once a month because of the trauma that is done with the skin. The best part about that program is that there is no downtime. Everything is monitored weekly so that you are able to have discussions with me. We can discuss about natural skincare that I provide for you, as well as skincare that you have at home, to make sure that we have a nice package for you that allows for your skin health to be where you want it to be. This also does include supplementation that you're taking, which is internal, as well as custom Chinese herbs.